Hey guys, Rich Bassini, a YouTube vlogger and creator here. If this is the first time hitting my YouTube channel, I just want to say welcome. And to all the new subscribers who've recently subscribed to my channel, just want to say thank you again. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content and come back for more. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of videos. I'm pushing close to 2,000. And some of you may find some of this stuff helpful, and some of you might just find entertainment. But whatever it is, I hope you get a takeaway from the videos I put out. Now, sometimes I don't get to put them out on a daily basis because of other things that may arise. There may be a time when I have to get pulled away to do something other than making videos, but for the most part, I always like to make sure I keep putting them out. For those of you who are wondering what I'm all about, I've been on YouTube since 2013. And I have to say, it's been a wild ride. I love YouTube. I've been on it over a decade now, and I'm still learning, still getting there, and I'm still going to keep putting out videos. Hopefully, ones that you'll get a takeaway from and learn from. My channel is an open forum, and for the most part, I will keep adding new content whenever possible. Some of it may be business related, some of it may be how I create my videos, the cameras I use, and things of that nature. But visiting here, I hope you guys will come back from time to time and check me out. And if you do like the videos I put out, folks, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. And to all of you out there who are thinking about starting a new YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best success. Go out there, make those videos, folks, because people are going to watch them. And remember, consistency is key. I will talk to you soon, and take care, and bye-bye for now.